power of fractional exponent rule. That is a raised to the power x upon y equal to yth power of a to the power x or yth power of a whole to the power x. Okay. In other words, you can also write it like this: a to the power x, a raised to the power x upon y can be written as a power x into 1 by y or a power 1 by y into x. Okay. Now this rule is called the power of fractional exponent rule. Okay. So we will see this rule by the example. This is one example. Okay. Here I have written something very small font is there, that is a raised to the power 1 by n can be written as nth power root of a, or a raised to the power 1 by 3 can be written as third power root of a, or a raised to the power 1 by 2 can be written as square root of a, that is nth power rule. Okay, that you know. Now come to this example. 64 raised to the power 2 upon 3 can be written as third power of 64 whole square or third power of 64 whole square. One by one we will prove. These three will be give you same answer. See, 64 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4, 2 raised to the power 3. So 4 raised to the power 3, power 2 upon 3. This is why multiplication rule, product rule, 3 into 2 upon 3, 3 can't cancel, 4 square, 2 is left, so 4 square, 16. Here, this one, cubic root of 4 into 4 into 4 into 2, that is 64 has been written as 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, so 4 power 3 power 2, and this is the cubic root. Okay, again cubic root of 4 power 6, 3 to the 6. Next time 4 power 6, and this cubic root can be changed to the fractional form 1 upon 3. Next time you multiply 6 into 1 upon 3, 3 to the 6, so 4 square, 16. Now come to this cubic root of 64 whole square. So cubic root of 64 expanded, 4 into 4 into 4, so 4 power 3 whole square. Now this cubic root will be written as fractional form, so 4 power 3 power 1 by 3, and this whole power 2. This time 4, 3 into 1 by 3, so 3 get cancelled and whole power 2, so 4 square. This is also 16. So all these three are same, and this is called power of fractional exponent rule.